Summer's here, and with it comes a surge of projects. Do you have the commercial truck you need to get the job done? Don't let a broken-down truck slow you down this summer. At Diesel World Truck Sales in Salem, New Hampshire, we have the perfect pre-owned commercial truck you've been searching for. We offer a wide selection of reliable trucks, including dump trucks, box trucks, flatbeds, and more. Plus, we make financing your dream truck easy and affordable. And our experienced service team is here to keep your vehicle running smoothly all summer long. Don't wait! Visit Diesel World Truck Sales today and get ready to tackle those summer projects with confidence. Diesel World Truck Sales, 500 South Broadway, Salem, New Hampshire. Call us now for the best selection at 603-8093-6060. We are open Monday, Friday at 8 a.m. 5 p.m., Saturday 8 a.m. 12 p.m. We offer financing for all credit levels and have a state-of-the-art repair shop to handle any problem that might arise.